Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I put a bunch of videos together for you, just in case you're stuck at home, you know, maybe sick with the coronavirus. So I hope you enjoy it. Ivy. Come on, guys. Deja. Tansy. Deja. Tansy. Deja's udder turned a dark color recently. I don't know if you can see it, but it seems to be pretty normal as we've researched online, and it feels fine just the same as it did when it was lighter color. So I guess we'll see what happens. We're building up a fire for our next batch of syrup. Go get it, Ada. Good girl. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hobby is loose and does not like to be caught. Come here, Hobby. Come here, Hobby. See, she runs away. Come here, Hobby. Come here, Hobby. I caught her and now she is inside the fence. Ready? Pouring it in. This chicken got loose and is trying to hide in the barn. And I caught it! 1 dozen eggs from our chickens this morning.